Okay, now I want you to describe about uh, Sophia's daily routines.
Okay, I'd like to tell you about a day in the life of Sofia as a waitress. Sofia is a waitress in a restaurant. She wakes up early in the morning, puts on her work uniform, and has a quick breakfast and goes to work. When she arrives at work, she helps prepare, cleans the restaurant, and also checks with the kitchen to learn about the food special for the day.
Okay.
As lunchtime begins, guests start coming to the restaurant. Sylvia greets them with a big smile and welcomes them warmly. And she gives the menu and asks what they would like to order. And then she brings the food to each table, carrying the plates carefully. After the lunch hours are over, she eats a quick meal and takes a short rest. In the evening, Sofia helps guests solve problems politely and keeps smiling even when tired. After work, she counts her tips, helps clean, and goes home. She enjoys her job because she meets people from many countries, learns about food, and feels proud to make guests happy. Okay, that's all. I think I can describe about um
Sophia, yeah.
Sophia daily works.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's very great. Yeah, so you can describe almost all the description in the text. Good.